I welcome you all on 2022 Walkathon on World Diabetic Day. I welcome you all on 2022 Walkathon on World Diabetic Day. This day is being celebrated all over the world, across 160 countries, to make you aware of the campaign which has been going on for diabetes, as diabetes is increasing in numbers, millions, and in epidemics. We are suffering from the diabetes and its complications. So to aware about all that, we have a unity, a diabetic unity in the form of a logo which is a blue circle. Blue is a sign of solidarity towards diabetes campaign and its complications. So I welcome you all on the very small effort and an initiative from my side to World Diabetes Day 2022. Now this year the theme of World Diabetes Day is that access to diabetic care, not now then when. So it is better to control your sugar at the very first go. So I wish you all a very happy, healthy 2022 without diabetes, without its complications. Let's start now. All of you, please. Yeah. The first step towards diabetes is a walk. Practical aspect of diabetes is to control your activities. You will have to become physically active. $10,000 steps. थोड़ा सा आगे. Good morning. Calorie intake versus calorie output is an important issue. We are more physically inactive. Now you see, early morning, हमने सुबह सुबह ये start किया है 7:15 बजे. Now you see how much nature is so good. You must feel that nature, the mental agitation, the stress of life. Normally you do not find that. Early morning, such a nice time to meditate, to walk, to be with yourself. So it is going to be a very good experience. Gate number 3, right? We'll go up to gate number 3. Please cross. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good. Thank you. हाँ ऐसे होता है. I'm a little particular about it. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. ये देखो हमारा. कम का. Oh yes, yes. Hey, here we are with the community. Anything you want to know about World Diabetic Day, 14 November 2022? Your message. We are at gate number 3, University grounds. Come. We are in the middle of the university grounds and one of the best places in Delhi to have a walk. So I want everybody should experience the actual aura of a morning walk. Morning walk is not a responsibility, but it is a responsibility on yourself. You people are the morning walkers, sir. Please. Sir, you can give some tips about your morning walk.
Last 40 years we are working here. Morning walk is helping us in diabetes. That is the only cause we are under control. My insulin has dropped from 24 to 8 now because of my food control and regular walk. Because there were no walk during Corona period, so it has increased.
Yeah.
And now it has decreased
Very
again.
right,
So
very
this proves that walk is helping us in diabetes.
You are diabetic or not?
Diabetic.
You are diabetic. So you are taking this walk from the last how many years or?
नो सर मैं लास्ट 5 ईयर से वॉक कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन डायबिटिक पहले था नहीं मैं, लेकिन
In between हुआ. Your family history? Yes. Those who are family history of diabetic, they should be aware that they are in the high risk group. So he is doing very good job by doing an exercise, controlling his sugar, controlling his complications to the minimum.
सर एक और एडवाइस है, रेगुलर टेस्ट जरूर करवाना चाहिए.
Right.
विद इन 3 months मतलब शुगर का टेस्ट रेगुलर ही होना चाहिए.
Okay, right. So blood sugar is an important tool to know about your diabetes. So detection is very important. We do not detect early. Early detection and early treatment is always the hallmark of a diabetic complications to control. Yeah, sure. Thank you. We are here on the Gandhi statue in the center part of Delhi University. Till now you have learnt about it. What is reverse diabetes? The reverse diabetes is to start with the lifestyle modifications. This lifestyle modification starts with losing your weight, taking right energies, taking right calories, taking right food, taking good food. You have to fill up your tummy, but you'll have to take a good food. So it's the quality of food which matters in diabetes, not the quantity of food. Oh sir, I late हो गया sir. देखा? Message.
Diabetes है, you must take initiative. Otherwise, you are a very good doctor.
Madam, we'll talk about it. आप मॉर्निंग वॉक कब से कर रहे हैं?
जी मेरे को 1 साल से ज्यादा हो
एक साल से. क्यों कर रहे हैं?
बस अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए.
फिट रखने के लिए. शुगर तो नहीं है ना आपको? Very good. So those who are not diabetic, they should also take morning walk. It doesn't mean that only diabetes should take the morning walk. Morning walk is a lifestyle. We'll have just one word from him on World Diabetes Day 2022.
Yes, that diabetes days we should walk. This is a wonderful thing which you are doing it, and we do the yogas. So for us, it is the walking is the wonderful exercise for that.
You can say yoga or walking, physical activity.
Physical activities.
Yeah, you can say
that's
that.
the more
That's very important.
physical activities when we do, and it is wonderful for our diabetes, and we control the diabetes also. And if you can do something more like this, acupressures.
Okay.
This is for the
Yeah,
your diabetes.
this way.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is the diabetes. This is all diabetes. You can remove it like that.
Okay, this way.
Oh, this is the.
All of you should get it.
You can do it like this. This is our hand. You can put.
This is one of the wonderful way to increase your sympathetic activity of the body. So I think keep doing.
Yeah, we should.
Thank
do
you.
it.
Thank you.
It's a God blessing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wonderful things which you are doing it. Wonderful, really.
Thank you. Oh my God! Oh my God! What a boy! Hello. Yes. He is the person who is motivating almost all of us here. He will speak on this.
तो शुरुआत हमने खुद करनी है और अपने साथ औरों को लेके चलना है, सभी को स्वस्थ रखना है और सभी जो भी आए योग जरूर करें, वॉकिंग जरूर करें, कुछ ना कुछ मेहनत जरूर करो और हमें को पसीना शरीर से बाहर जरूर निकालना है, जिससे जो भी हमारे शरीर में बीमारियां हैं, परेशानियां हैं, वो सभी का स्वाहा हो.
और योगा के लिए हम लोग सारे ही एकत्रित होते हैं सुबह 6 बजे और जो यहाँ आता है सुबह उठता है वो जाहिर सी बात है कि बीमार तो होगा ही नहीं. तो मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि भाई सब ऐसे ही अपना ध्यान रखें, अपने परिवार का, अपने समाज का और अपने देश का.
एक्सरसाइज सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है। मेरे को जब ये पैरालिसिस अटैक पड़ा था, मैं उठ नहीं सकता था और सोच भी नहीं रहा था कभी उठ जाऊंगा, लेकिन वॉक ने और लोगों के मिलन ने मेरे को बहुत सारा प्रोत्साहन दिया, जिससे आज मैं खुद चल रहा हूँ, खुद कार चला के आता हूँ।
Oh, very nice. He drives his own car because of this exercise, a routine exercise or routine walk of about 45 minutes?
1 hour.
1 hour. Wow, very good. Give him a big hand.
Just I want to add one thing. I have heard and I believe and I know that tension also increases your sugar level.
Yes, sir.
So according to me, a quotation is there, laughter is the best medicine. So one must keep on smiling. One must keep on smiling and laughter
Very
is the best
important
medicine.
point. Laughing is the best medicine. Is one of the best medicine. I must say that. You know, there are so many problems in diabetes, and mental stress, agility, aggression, they all lead to diabetes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So laughing is the best medicine. He has given you the message, and that is one of the, you can say, de-stressing yourself from this world.
छोटा सा शेर और सुना सकता हूँ। आप सबको हजूम ही कहते हैं ना, हजूम गम भी फितरत मेरी बदल नहीं सकते, हजूम गम भी फितरत मेरी बदल नहीं सकते, मैं क्या करूँ मुझे आदत है मुस्कुराने।
आपकी एज कितनी होगी?
60 साल।
हैं?
60 साल।
आप लगते नहीं हैं?
लगते
उसका कारण एक ही है।
आए 16 साल के यहाँ पे आगे।
Morning walkers do come here every day in thousands, hundreds and thousands, and without fail they are doing morning walk. You have seen the importance of a walk of about 45 minutes to even 1 hour is helpful. When you start sweating, that is the point of culmination, you can say that now I am sweating. So that is the best part, that you have a walk of about 3 kilometers up and down, maybe 6 kilometers. Up to that, almost 10,000 steps. Makes your metabolic control better.
Namaste, I'm Ramanathan. I was diagnosed with diabetes about 15 years back. Many times I've seen people, when they get diagnosed with diabetes, they feel dejected and depressed. But in my case, I feel it was a blessing in disguise, because before having diabetes, I was very disorganized, indisciplined in my life. Thanks to diabetes, I've become very organized and disciplined in my life, and I do yoga, I do meditation, and my sugar is in the perfect control for the last 15 years with the least dose.
लेकिन आज अगर हम डायबिटीज़ की बात करें, हम में बहुत सुनते हैं डायबिटीज़ हाई है, लो है, लेकिन सर प्री डायबिटीज़ के बारे में थोड़ा सा लोगों को आप एजुकेट करें।
आंकड़ों के हिसाब से जितनी डायबिटीज़ की नंबर है, उतना ही कहीं उससे ज़्यादा नंबर है प्री डायबिटीज़। प्री डायबिटीज़ वो होती है जो पेशेंट, अभी डायबिटीज़ का पूरा हमने उसको कहा नहीं, डायबिटीज़ हो सकती है। प्री डायबिटीज़ होती है जब आपका शुगर बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है, फास्टिंग लेवल मोर देन 110 to 125, पोस्ट प्रेंडियल लेवल खाना खाने के 1.5 से 2 घंटे के बाद 144 और 145 से 200 के बीच में होगी, तो उनको हम प्री डायबिटिक कहते हैं।
एज फैक्टर भी है कि यंग एज भी देखा गया है या मिड एज?
एज इज़ नो बार फॉर डायबिटीज। बेसिकली वी कैन हैव डायबिटीज फ्रॉम 5 years to 90 years। डायबिटीज 2 टाइप की, टाइप 1, टाइप 2। डायबिटीज टाइप 1 जो होती है जिसमें सिर्फ इंसुलिन देना पड़ता है, हमारे पास टाइप 1 डायबिटिक हैं, यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, मैं उनको बुलाऊंगा, थोड़ा सा वो भी बोल देंगे। मिसेस भाटिया, टाइप 1, देन आई विल टॉक अबाउट इट।
अपनी ज़्यादातर लोगों को टाइप 1 और टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ का बारे में डिफरेंस नहीं पता दोनों में क्या है, तो इसलिए बहुत कंफ्यूज करते हैं लोग। टाइप 1 डायबिटीज़ वो होती है जिसमें आपका पैंक्रियाज जो है, आपके बीटा सेल्स जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं और इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाते हैं। और जो टाइप 2 है वो बेसिकली लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ है।
मेरे को एक मैसेज आ रहा है बॉस्टन से टाइप 1 डायबिटिक वालों के लिए। सर, मैडम, डॉक्टर अपूर्वा गोम्बर।
नमस्ते सब लोगों को बॉस्टन से। मैं टाइप 1 हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे डायबिटीज़ का रिसर्च करती हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज आप सबको देख के, सुबह सुबह आप लोग आए हैं, तो थैंक यू सो मच। एंड ये मोटिवेशन है हम सब लोगों को कि हम इस जंग को, हाय मंजीत मैम, हम इस जंग को बनाए रखें और हमेशा मोटिवेटेड रहें कि हम डायबिटीज़ से लड़ सकते हैं। So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. He is one of the PhD students here in Delhi University. Just give a small clip.
Sir, today I have experienced a lot because I didn't expect that such kind of moment will come in this morning today. And I would like to add here, music is also one of the best ways to reduce our stress. So when we will reduce our stress, we could get healthy mind, and healthy mind is always important to keep our body healthy. And so the way you are making awareness, it's really amazing, excellent, magnificent. I can't add here more words because I don't have such kind of words in my vocabulary which can be appropriate for your initiative, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Now again, end of our morning walk, end of our first step. We talked about diabetes, its complications, and the awareness about it on this World Diabetic Day 2022. I thank you all to be part of it.
अच्छा, हमारे साथ हम अपने डॉक्टर को हमेशा क्या कहते हैं? जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल बढ़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ना कोई है, ना कोई था, जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, वो चांदनी जब टकरा देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ, वो चांदनी जब टकरा देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ, ना कोई है ना कोई था, जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा। Sing along louder.